Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In this video again we are going to talk about another cryptocurrency, and the funny part is that this coin has gone nearly uh, 16 times 16.9% up, so nearly 16 times up in last 30 days. And if you see from the April 5, so nearly a month before, it has gone up 28 times to nearly 29 times. So this is crazy if you see. So that's interesting, and let's see what this coin has to offer. And if even if you see that, then this coin is trending right now on coingecko, so a lot of people are trying to explore this coin. So let's see what the ignore FUD, uh, what is this token all about, and what is the market cap and everything, and what this project is trying to how this project is trying to provide some value. So right now the price is 0.00051228 at the time of recording this video. Market cap is nearly 11.5 million, and total fully diluted market cap is nearly 20.5 million. So nearly half of the supply is already available in the market, and remaining half is still probably with the team, and or probably going to release later on. So anyways, let's go to the website to understand what this is all about. So this project is basically seems like a meme token, as they have already mentioned. And the meme token, this meme is all about ignoring the FUD. So FUD is been a very common thing in the cryptocurrency market, especially if you are holding a coin and suddenly it drops around 20% and suddenly everybody starts to sell. So the same things happens with the Bitcoin as well. Even though Bitcoin's valuation, according to a lot of powerful and intelligent experts, is around $100,000 minimum, Bitcoin is being traded right now at the time of recording this video at around $28,000, and even it went down to $17,000 recently. So FUD has been an issue, and creating a meme token about ignoring the FUD can give a positive solid message. But apart from that, they also provide a lot of other value in the ecosystem. And the ecosystem, the token system, is very similar to SafeMoon, and SafeMoon has done pretty well in the past, and probably the same thing is happening with the same thing can happen with this project. And if you see their Telegram community, then they have a pretty massive community. So generally a project with a good community is likely to thrive. And I see that, lots and lots of people chatting, talking, discussing about the project, the growth and everything. And you will see why people are so much emotionally involved in this project later on, because of the token ecosystem and the tax system, which is pretty interesting. So this kind of projects, if they fly very well, and if they die very badly. So you just gotta be a little bit risk averse, and don't throw everything in such project. Don't throw all your money in this project. But yeah, it's up to you. Do your own research before investing. And I always keep saying in my other videos as well that you need to keep half of your funds in Bitcoin, and you can play around with the remaining half. Because even if you lose out on such projects, because these projects can give you 100 times returns and they may die. So if they give you 100 times returns, then it's a great thing. You make a lot of money, I respect that. But if they don't give you the returns which you are looking for, then the thing is that you may lose out a lot of your money. And that's why it's very important that you keep half of your funds in Bitcoin, and probably you lock it for a longer period of time. So here I have created a vault in Enzyme Finance, which will show you that you need to lock half of your funds in crypto, in Bitcoin. Here, as you can see here, this is on the Matic Polygon network. So here you control all your funds, and your funds in Bitcoin are locked for a pretty long period of time. So even if you gamble with your other half and you lose everything, you still make a lot of money if you hold your Bitcoin for 5 to 7 years, and you still make a lot of profits from the crypto. So so controlling the risk is very important when you investing when you invest in such projects. Anyways, so here as you can see that there you can buy this coin on Archerswap. Probably it's a DeFi project, so you can buy there. And then let's see that what the ignore FUD is all about. Meet the ignore FUD. So a new kind of meme token that supports DeFi and blockchain innovations. The ignore FUD project was created to help core DAO, Binance and the cryptocurrency industry as a whole and get more people to use and adopt cryptocurrencies. We provide community centric meme ecosystem, a unique hold to earn with exposure to a large and strong community of users from all over the world. Moreover, this is a movement assembled to fight FUD that appears every now and then in our industry. So this is the system, and let's see the tax info because this is a pretty important part. So no buy tax, no issues with that. No transfer tax, no, so that's also a good thing. But 8% decentralized exchange sell tax. So if you sell this token, 8% will be cut off from your initial investment. So USDT reflection, 3% is out of this 8%, 3% is distributed to all the qualified holders, and auto LP 2% is added to the liquidity on DEX, and 1% is converted to core for operational expense and growth fund to build a utility, and 2% given to the token burn. So again, this is very this will also be given to the to the token holders in an indirect way. When you burn the token, supply gets less, so automatically the token holders will benefit. So this is the system, tax info system, and let's see the token economics now. So if you see this kind of tax info, and if you see SafeMoon, then it has done pretty well because SafeMoon had literally a similar infrastructure, and it succeeded massively, and it's a great success story. And that's why it's very important that if this kind of projects fly, then they fly very well, and if they die, then they die very badly. So there are two sides, but as of now this project in last 1 month has given nearly 16 times returns, and in last nearly 1.5 months it has given nearly 30 times returns, so which is crazy, I guess. And if you would have bought a month ago this token, you would have made 30 times. So again, this is possible in crypto. Only in crypto this kind of gains are possible, and that's why it's very important that you keep half of your funds in Bitcoin. So if even if this projects, let's say you invest today and this project dies tomorrow, then still you will have half of the money in Bitcoins, and which will give you profits in the future. That's why it's very important to control the risk part, so reward will automatically attract you. And let's assume that this project succeeds, and if it succeeds, now let's say it goes another 10 times high from this current price, it goes 10 times up, then you make money. So in both cases you control the risk and you make money. That's why it's very important to, when you invest or choose to invest in such projects, you control the risk. So that's why I highly suggest that this is the fund that I have created on Enzyme Finance, which will lock your funds in Bitcoins for 5 to 10 years of span. And so even if you lose out on such projects, you will still have profits made from Bitcoin, because you are holding the Bitcoin here. So that's how you control the risk and everything. Anyways, so apart from that tax info, let's go on the token economics part. So as you can see, 50% of the total supply will be used for the public launch on this date, and 40% is reserved. This much is for the ecosystem, and 4% is for the airdrop and marketing. That's okay, that's fine. And apart from the token details, these are the token details. Okay, where to buy on Archerswap, I guess. Deflationary and burning mechanism. So 2% of the tokens are burned from cell tax, as we saw earlier. Utility and blockchain related nodes and other tokens that on staking rewards. 50% of monthly revenue will be used to buy back and burn for tokens. Ignore for 4000 NFT collection. So we'll see that in the use cases part. So here, apart from the meme token first concept, there are other use cases which they are trying to, I guess, accomplish. So there are a few of them. So make a blockchain validator, staking node like core staking node, ADA staking node, BNB staking node, Cosmos staking node, new blockchains with staking node, and even other potential tokens that earn staking rewards. 50% of monthly revenue will be used to buyback and burn for the token. So this is one of the use cases. So basically they will use this to create staking node, and whatever you make profit from staking node, 50% of that revenue will be used to buy back and burn 4 tokens. So again, this will boost the value of 4 token, basically ignore FUD. And NFT marketplace with 4,000 ignore FUD NFT collection. I don't understand how this will work. I have no idea about that. Compounding crypto asset vaults, focus on stable coins, LP and single assets. 50% of monthly revenue will be used to buy back and burn 4 tokens. So again, they will also try to generate revenue from stable coin LPs and single assets. I guess that's the core idea. And decentralized stable swap, focus on stable coin swap. Only 50% of monthly revenue will be used to buy back and burn. Again, so this is one of the DEX stable coin swap use cases. And apart from that, they will also take suggestions from the community, and they have a pretty good community, big community, I guess, as of now. And that's why this project has a good chance of growing because of the community, because I generally don't see very active community in such projects. Many projects have died, but this project looks little bit different because they have very powerful community. They in fact, the moment I started to record this video, maybe 5-10 minutes back, and if I see the Telegram right now, they have already 40-50 messages flying in the group right now. So that's pretty interesting, and a lot of people are chatting and talking about how this coin will grow and how this coin will work. And as you keep reading in all other chat groups, that when moon, and this is going to moon, and Elon is going to do this, and Elon is going to buy ignore FUD and everything etc. So this kind of chats is very normal in such projects, and that's why it's an interesting concept. Apart from that, security audit is done by Certic, so which is a very famous brand, very famous name in the security market, in the cryptocurrency. So this is, I guess, this is all right now about this project I have to give you info about. Apart from that, they have the YouTube channel, and this is probably the introductory video. And apart from that, there is nothing there on their YouTube channel. They have only posted 3 videos. So probably this project is more about a community, and the key for this project's growth is the emotional involvement of the community in this project. And community is emotionally involved in the growth because they pay 8% sales tax, and nobody likes to pay 8% sales tax on the project. So this is the key. This is the key, 8% sell tax. So generally there is a lot of transfer tax, and there is sometimes also buy tax. I don't think so there is a lot of buy tax, but general transfer tax is definitely there, and sell tax is also there. But they have kept their focus only on the sell tax, so nobody sells the project. And that's why people when people don't want to sell the token, they try to help the project grow, and that's what probably is happening with this project. And suddenly it has flied, and I made this video only because I saw this project trending on CoinGecko, and I'll try to create videos on trending coins and try to understand what the project is all about and how it is trying to provide the value. And meme coins has been doing really well in the cryptocurrency market lately, and Dogecoin is one of the example. Who thought that Dogecoin will be the logo of the Twitter one day? And so that's how crypto is, things can turn out rapidly. and very quickly. You never know, maybe someday this project also gets, this logo also is being used by some famous app like Twitter or some other very famous social media platform, maybe Facebook. You never know, things change rapidly. 5 years back nobody thought Dogecoin would be on Dogecoin will be Twitter's logo, and now it's just funny how things change so rapidly in crypto. And that's the reality of crypto, and you got to accept it. So it's possible that this project can go another 16 times up, and this project ignore FUD can go another 16 times up in next 30 days, or it may die. You don't know, maybe it can go just 2 times up. Nothing, we don't know anything, we can't predict such things. But you gotta control your risk, you gotta hold half of your funds in Bitcoin, and that's what I can help you with. Your 100% funds will be in Bitcoin. You control your funds, because this is a DeFi platform, Enzyme Finance. And on Enzyme Finance there is nearly $100 million worth of tokens there. So if you see their asset AUM, then you will see that more than $100 million worth of tokens are available on Enzyme Finance. Sorry, not tokens, but AUM, asset under management. As you can see, this is on the Polygon network, so it is nearly $1.7 million. But overall, if you see the Ethereum network, then you will see the asset under management nearly $76 million. So this is a pretty good DeFi project. And if you invest in my vault, you are probably gonna hold your Bitcoin for a longer period of time. So if you are investing in projects like Ignore FUD, and you put half of your capital in 10 such projects, 20 such projects, and then still your half of the funds are in Bitcoin, you are gonna be safe and you will survive as an investor. And that's the key. If you cannot survive, you cannot grow. Yeah, if you will have funds, then only you will be able to invest, right? So that's what I'm trying to create value for you through forcing yourself to hold your Bitcoins for a longer period of time, 5 to 7 years. So when you lose out half of your funds, you will still be in profit after 5 years. And that's the core idea behind this concept. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will try to make more videos, because I also enjoy such projects. And as you can see, this kind of projects are new, and new creates excitement. New projects can create excitement. The excitement level of new things can be pretty massive, but it's very important to assess that how will you survive with time, how will this project survive with time. And if the community is trying to learn new things, if the community's bond is getting better and better with time, then you can assure yourself that this project will grow. And there is a possibility of such a thing to happen, because there is a 8% cell tax, and when your community is emotionally involved with each other, they are likely to help each other to grow. And every particular project like SafeMoon or Ignore FUD, they all have different sets of people working for the growth of same particular concept. And that's why let's see how this project turns out. I will be very much interested in knowing how this project will turn out as a success or a failure. But overall, interesting. Meme coin FUD is been a horrible thing in the market. I see FUDsters every day, everywhere. People buy when they are in FOMO. People have different set of voice tone. I talk to a lot of people, and they have different sort of tone when their portfolio is up, because the market is up. And they don't even talk about the market, cryptocurrency market, when they do not see their portfolio up. They do not see the greens in their portfolio. So I have seen the FUD part and the FOMO part, and it creates a lot of I guess impact on people for the end this part. So it's just gotta be very careful. At the same time, also exciting times, I guess, with crypto, and let's see how things turn out in the future with such projects. So join my Telegram group if you really enjoyed this video. I'll try to make more videos on such projects, on different projects. And you gotta support the channel, subscribe to the channel, join my Telegram group, and don't forget to invest in such funds. So in my fund. I will put the link in the description. So when you lose out, when you fail in such projects, you still make money. And if you succeed, let's say, yeah, that you make 10 times more, then the grass is greener on all sides, I guess. So there is no problem with such. And I'll be happy if this project grows more, and it creates more, if it creates more and more value. Anyways, so this is all I have right now for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you soon in the next video.